Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time we compare 4K images from the 2-year-old Sony FDR-X3000 and the brand new GoPro Hero 7. The Sony comes with the balanced optical steady shot, its optical stabilization system, and the GoPro with the HyperSmooth, the newly branded electronic image stabilization system. Which one will be able to get the best results? While watching the 4K footage from the Sony FDR-X3000, you have to notice that the top corners of your image are always shaky. Here, for example, that is very noticeable. This is not the case when shooting 1080p, but makes a huge difference in 4K video when comparing with the GoPro Hero 7, where the new HyperSmooth holds the image more stable in general. If you are going to shoot 4K video in situations with a lot of movement and where the light conditions are good, I think it is safe to say that the better results are for sure going to be achieved with the new GoPro Hero 7. The HyperSmooth electronic image stabilization is nevertheless very light dependent, and in bad light situations that can make a difference, but I will show you that on a next video.